In my last video, I went ahead and unveiled that I purchased a Nissan GTR. I also unveiled that it's already been modified to an extent. In this video, we're gonna go ahead and dive into what's already been done to this Nissan GTR. And because I didn't mention it in the last video, this is a 2009 Nissan GTR with a clean title and a clean Carfax. So this GTR has been meticulously maintained by the previous owners, and it came with some serious performance upgrades. In the last video, I mentioned that this GTR came installed with Alpha 9 turbos, which are the peak when it comes to performance and reliability. It also came with upgraded intercoolers in the form of the RS1600 intercoolers with the OEM adapters. Now those RS1600 intercoolers are hard to see on this car, which makes it get a little bit of the sleeper aesthetic. You just have to be looking at it at the right angle or get up really close to it. This also came with the Rampage R35 speed density kit, which includes harness and T-map sensors, and it basically deletes the restrictive MAF sensors that these GTRs come with. Regarding fueling, it does come with the Injector Dynamics 1300cc injectors and a Deutschwerks drop-in upgraded fuel pump. And the fuel mods don't stop there, because it also comes with the Flex Fuel kit and a custom Flex Fuel tune. Tune, by the way, is done on the ECU Tech hardware, and I've been loving it. I have on-the-fly map switching right from my steering wheel. I have 4 maps. First 3 of them are pump gas, and then the last one has to be on ethanol. Regarding the transmission, because this is a very well-known weak point on Nissan GTRs, all the paperwork I have on it are a Dodson 9 forward clutch pack kit and a ball retainer, also a new bell housing as well. Regarding my exhaust setup, at this time I have a full 4-inch exhaust with ETS 4-inch catless downpipes paired to a Fabworks whole 4-inch exhaust. I also have a custom ETS mid-pipe with GESI cats. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I'm totally running those GESI cats, by the way. And the exhaust sounds wicked, to say the least. I'm gonna have to do a whole separate video on just the exhaust. And the upgrades don't stop, because it did come with DBA rotors and MX72 Plus pads. And I can just tell you right now, this thing stops on a dime. I'm doing 791 horsepower in map 3 on pump gas to all 4 wheels. With that in mind, please go ahead and let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, what else do you think I should do besides coilovers and wheels, because those are on the agenda. And if you like my GTR, please be aware that I'm going to be doing a lot more videos in this. I love driving this car. Not only that, but right behind me is the resting place for my built big turbo N54. I also have some videos coming out of this budget build N55 that I got. We're already doing about 500 horsepower on. So if you're into modifying cars, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll go ahead and see you in the next video.